Learn English to Hindi give forms, give to,
देना,
and more. Welcome to the giving circus. Hey, you are about to learn one powerful Hindi verb family without falling asleep on page 2. Today, everything revolves around giving, sharing, and one suspiciously generous vending machine. Our star word is give.
देना,
Imagine a hand offering a bright red gift box. That is,
देना,
if you want to say, I want to give a gift, you can picture, I want to.
देना,
A gift. If someone says, please give me the book, the action is still.
देना,
And if help is needed, it is good to
देना,
help. Easy start, right? You are already opening your hand and throwing kindness into the universe like confetti. Meet the main verb. Let's lock in the base form first, because every language adventure needs a reliable backpack. This backpack contains one word.
देना,
Say it slowly.
देना,
It means give or to give. Memory trick.
देना,
Sounds a little like, donate now. Silly? Yes. Useful? Also yes. Mini example. Please give me the book becomes an action with.
देना,
Funny image. A vending machine learns Hindi and yells.
देना,
Before dropping 10 snacks. Too much giving. Very dramatic. Quick contrast. Give is.
देना,
But take is.
लेना,
Open hand out?
देना,
Pull hand in?
लेना,
If I were extra generous. Now you step into the role of the noble hero, or at least the person who shares the last cookie. Time for, I would give. I would give, is.
मैं देता,
Break it down.
मैं,
Means I, and.
देता,
Carries the giving idea here. Example. I would give more time if I could, becomes.
अगर मैं कर सकता, तो मैं और समय देता.
Example. I would give you the book tomorrow, becomes.
मैं तुम्हें कल किताब देता.
Mini dialogue. A. Can you offer support? B.
मैं देता.
Picture yourself holding a gift box, looking noble, wind blowing through your hair for no reason, saying.
मैं देता.
You, yes you, would give. Now I point dramatically at you like a game show host. Congratulations, you are the generous one now. You would give, is.
तुम दोगे.
Think.
तुम,
Is you, and.
दोगे.
Is the giving form here. Example. You would give me the book if you had it, becomes.
अगर तुम्हारे पास किताब होती, तो तुम दोगे.
Example. You would give me a chance, becomes.
तुम मुझे एक मौका दोगे.
Joke alert. Do not confuse.
दोगे.
With the internet meme Doge. One is a Hindi verb form. The other is a very concerned Shiba Inu. Say it with a giving gesture.
तुम दोगे.
He gives, she gives, drama gives. Let's bring in some third-person movie energy. Somebody off-screen is about to help, and the soundtrack is getting emotional. He would give, is.
वह देगा.
Example. He would give help, becomes.
वो देगा मदद.
Example. He said he would give an answer later, becomes.
उसने कहा कि वो देगा बाद में जवाब.
She would give, is.
वो देगी.
Example. She would give the book later, becomes.
वो किताब बाद में देगी.
Example. I think she would give an answer, becomes.
मुझे लगता है कि वो जवाब देगी.
So if a dramatic hero appears, use.
वह देगा.
If a dramatic heroine appears, use.
वह देगी.
If both arrive at once, you probably need popcorn. What about we and they? Giving becomes more fun when a whole group joins in. Or more chaotic. Usually both. We would give, is.
हम देते होते.
Example. In that situation, we would give help, becomes.
उस स्थिति में हम मदद देते होते.
Example. We would give more time if we could, becomes.
अगर हम कर पाते, तो हम ज्यादा समय देते होते.
They would give, is.
वे देते.
Example. They would give the book tomorrow, becomes.
वे किताब कल देते.
Example. In that situation, they would give help, becomes.
उस स्थिति में वे मदद देते.
Imagine a whole team with gift boxes saying,
हम देते होते.
and another team across the room saying.
वे देते.
It is basically the Olympics of generosity. A surprise guest. There would be. Plot twist. Not every useful word today is about handing over a present. One of them is about existence, like a mysterious thing appearing in the future. There would be, is.
होगा.
Example. If we left early, there would be more time, becomes.
अगर हम जल्दी निकलते तो ज्यादा समय होगा.
Example. In that case, there would be a problem, becomes.
उस स्थिति में एक समस्या होगा.
Picture an empty room. Suddenly a chair appears. A mysterious voice whispers.
होगा.
Very spooky. Very grammatical. Quick contrast.
है.
Is, while.
होगा.
Gives the feeling of would be or will be in this learning context. Tiny dialogue theater. You have learned the cast. Now let them talk. Do not worry, they are short scenes, not a 3-hour historical drama. Scene 1. A. Can you give me water? B. Ham, mame.
देना.
Sakata hum. Scene 2. A. Can you offer support? B.
मैं देता.
Scene 3. A. If I asked nicely, what would you do? B.
तुम दोगे.
Scene 4. A. Will he help? B. Yes.
वह देगा.
Scene 5. A. Who will give the notes? B.
वह देगी.
Scene 6. A. Would your group help? B.
हम देते होते.
But we forgot the supplies. Scene 7. A. What would they do? B.
वे देते.
Scene 8. A. If we waited more time? B.
होगा.
Quick recall challenge. Time for a tiny quiz. No pressure. If you get one wrong, no grammar police will jump out of a closet. What is the Hindi word for give?
देना.
How do you say I would give?
मैं देता.
How do you say you would give?
तुम दोगे.
How do you say he would give?
वह देगा.
How do you say she would give?
वह देगी.
How do you say we would give?
हम देते होते.
How do you say they would give?
वे देते.
How do you say there would be?
होगा.
If you got most of them, excellent. If not, repeat them once more and pretend you are a very polite superhero distributing snacks. Memory tricks you will actually remember. Before we finish, let's glue these words into your brain with ridiculous images. Ridiculous images are often surprisingly loyal teachers.
देना.
A glowing hand giving away a red gift box.
मैं देता.
You, in heroic slow motion, offering help.
तुम दोगे.
A friend points at you and says, yes, you will share the last samosa.
वह देगा.
A movie hero promises help under dramatic lighting.
वह देगी.
A wise teacher calmly hands over the answer sheet.
हम देते होते.
Your whole team arrives with gifts, but only in an alternate universe where everyone remembered the plan.
वे देते.
A crowd in a stadium all offering presents at once.
होगा.
An empty room where something suddenly appears. If a word feels hard, give it a face, a sound, and a weird little movie. Your brain loves strange stories. Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work. You just walked through a whole set of English to Hindi giving forms without getting buried under grammar bricks. Today you practiced give as.
देना.
I would give as.
मैं देता.
You would give as.
तुम दोगे.
He would give as.
वह देगा.
She would give as.
वह देगी.
We would give as.
हम देते होते.
They would give as.
वे देते.
And there would be as.
होगा.
Thank you for listening and learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases again tomorrow, and soon these Hindi forms will feel natural in your mouth and mind. See you in the next chapter.